Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna go over today's trade that I took. So I didn't live stream this PM session or this today at all because it's NFP day, it's NFP Friday, so I wasn't planning on trading today, but I definitely wasn't planning on trading the AM session, which is like 10 o'clock. I mean, it threw an okay setup, but I mean there wasn't really much confluence to it. Um, so yeah, either way, I didn't trade AM session, but coming to PM session, this is the trade I took. So real quick, I'm gonna go over what I saw. So on the daily chart, we have so basically, okay, let's go over here. Higher time frame. We tapped into a weekly fair value gap right here. Um, like 3 weeks ago on July 17th, we tapped into it. So this whole time I've been looking for sells on Nas. Obviously short term buys and shit, but long term I'm obviously bearish on Nas right now. And as you can see, there was this fair value gap on the daily chart. So basically, this is a classic 2022 mentorship right here. Grabs old highs. This old high right here is an old high. Comes down, consolidates a little bit, breaks market structure right here. This is a market structure shift. This right here. So when I saw that, my bias for coming into today was 100% bearish. That this candle was gonna close bearish, because it had already tapped into it prior to AM session anyway. So it tapped into it at like around 10 p.m. yesterday actually, and then again at 6 a.m. and then again at 10 a.m. So let's go over what I saw. So PM session. I don't really trade PM session, but I do trade uh, AM session. But on days like these, I will trade the PM session. Okay. So basically, on the higher time frame, we had this liquidity grab right here, this one right here, and we were also this shaded area is a daily fair value gap. So when I saw price break above these highs, I was kind of patiently waiting around 130 to see what it was gonna do. Okay, so when I saw this in the lower time frames, this is a market structure shift. This right here. Yeah. Oh, I already had it marked up. So this right here was a market structure shift to me. Okay, and then I saw this fair value gap. So I'm gonna delete the daily fair value gaps just so it's not in the way. But I saw this fair value gap right here, and I took it like right over here in confluence with this breaker block as well. I don't, as you know, I don't really trade breakers, but if it's there, it's there. Okay, so and then I put my stop loss right above here. I put it above this candle because I know price sometimes will come up to all the way over here. So I accounted it for that, and my stop loss was actually really good placement, in my opinion. Like if you really wanted to like a market structure stop loss, it should have been like right here, um, like right over here. But I put it right above this candle high. Okay, don't ask me why. I just like doing that. Okay, and then my draw on liquidity higher time frame was obviously this low right here, that low right there, and then I also accounted for these relatively equal lows right here, which I think price is gonna liquidate coming into Asia session. I don't know if that's Asia or whatever, but whatever. It doesn't really matter. So I answered right there, price consolidated for a little bit, and yeah, the rest is history. So that's what I saw. So just to recap, daily fair value gap, tapped into it. Higher time frame, we had tapped into a weekly fair value gap, broke structure on Wednesday. It came into the fair value gap today. This right here, this fair value gap right here, and then coming PM session, I caught the this little fair value gap right here, and then the rest is history. So yeah, and just to show I'm not fucking lying. Here's the P&L for today. I it's a little bit under a 1 to 3, but that's okay. But yeah, I caught some nice Nasdaq sells today, so that's pretty neat, man. So I hope you learned something out of this video. Hope you got some value out of it. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.